Welcome to the galley of SV Xanadu. In this video, I'm going to show you what we use on the boat here. This is an awesome cook set pan that doubles on an induction oven or the butane stove. Let me show you this pan setup that we have here. This is new for 2026. If you like to go camping or have a boat, you're going to love this. This is a dual griddle pan. It's dual because I can use it on the induction stove top because it has a magnetic inductive base. It's coated, and I can use it on my camping grill like this one here. This is a butane grill. I can use it like that on the boat, and that's what we're going to do. In a little bit, we're going to put the food out on the table on this griddle and cook it right there on the table. I'm going to break this down for you. So 40-inch diameter griddle pan. So it's probably a good 16 to 18 inches across. I'll put a link in the description for these items and you can look at it for yourself. If I use my induction burner, I can really dial in a precision degree temperature, and I would just set it on there like that, fire it up, and that right there would allow me to heat this pan up on this single burner on the boat here, use electricity from the marina or my solar system and the inverter. I could just use it out on the water with this, but I found an easier method, and that was this. This is the butane camping stove. So it has a single burner, stores in a case. I can turn that over, it's compact. I can use that right there with this pan. So look at this, it takes a butane bottle and it has a switch here that engages the butane bottle, and when you turn the unit off and the flame dies down, it disengages the bottle. The bottle just sits in this compartment right here. It's very easy. Right there, I don't have to screw it in. I don't have something hanging on the side. But this thing heats up really quick, just like the induction. And I get that on there, and that's what we're doing in this video. We're going to put our food, we're going to put our seafood and some meats and some shrimp, and we're going to put it all on there and sit at the table and cook our food at the table. I've got everything laid out here for the hibachi. So you can see I've got a little bit of bison, a little bit of New York strip, our shrimp, our catfish we just caught, some bacon to go with those catfish skins, and a portobello and a lemon. Alright, got the bison right there. Now the New York strip, I'm going to cross cut this. I think the grain's going that way. I like a little fat on there. I'm going to cross cut it. And I'm going to slice this thin so it's nice and tender on the hibachi. So I'm going to kind of lay that out like that. Now the star of the show, our catfish. I'm going to cross cut it into some strips like that. The portobello I can cut on the wood over here. I'm going to slice it thin. This knife does a great job. This is a new set of knives I have. I'm trying it out. Japanese cutlery knife. It's very nice, very sharp. I got some extra virgin organic olive oil. I'm going to spray these down. Take the seasonings. Now we have to just get that on the tray to take over to the hibachi. Just let's check this hibachi out. This is perfect for anybody's table. You can put your hibachi pan right on to the butane stove burner. We can cook it right here on the table. Yeah, can we get it all on there? Let's see. Yeah, I think we can. Oh, I can already smell that. Okay, there it is, that easy. Let's heat that griddle up. On the boat here, we like to make things simple when we can. Take our tongs. We want to use tongs that won't scratch up the non-stick surface. So we're going to put those right in there like that. And we're going to utilize the bacon fat and the oil to cook the rest of the protein and to crisp up these catfish skins. After these crisp up, we're going to flip them, and then we're going to start putting our other protein, our fish, our shrimp. Alright, the catfish skins, look at that. Goodness right there. We got the bacon off, got the catfish skins off. Let those drain over here. We've got that bacon grease down there to start the rest. There's that catfish. Let's get some catfish out there. Oh, there's the sizzle. Right there. Let's get it out there. There we go. Okay, let's get some shrimp on there. Bison out there. That's a good start. So we're going to cook this up. We're going to flip it over when it browns, and then we're going to put our portobellos out there and put our seasonings and our sauce out there. This is a simple, easy way. I love this. Get all that goodness all over that. Now that's gonna add more liquid, and you may have to increase the heat just a bit. We're gonna let this simmer down, let those mushrooms cook, let everything marinate, and then we'll get it on the plate, and I'll show you how it looks like in the end result. All right, the star of the show. Gonna make a little space right there for this catfish that we caught. Oh, it's tender. It's gonna fall apart. Better just be careful with that. Let's put some on the plate. Browned up really nicely. That's so good. That marinade works perfect with this catfish. All of these are turning out great. Very easy to do on the hibachi, on the boat, or your camping site. Ultimate protein plate right there for you.
Smells good.
Alright, we got the catfish out here on the grill. Let's move that to the side. Let's put our shrimp. The ultimate protein feast right here. And then we're going to put our New York strip. And then finally the bison right there. That's sizzling up nice. Just a little bit more oil right there on the top. Spices. Alright, Cyndi, you've got to taste this. That's so fresh.
I was about to say, there really is nothing better than fresh caught fish. And you can get really good fish in a lot of places, but like
that's
you
really,
just caught
really
it
good.
and then you cooked it.
Yeah. Tell me what you think about the bison. It's a little more gamey.
Super tender. Super tender.
This hibachi does great. There you have it. Catch and cook. We had a great time out there fishing now, didn't we? And, you know, if you're interested in this kind of stuff, I have the pan and the grill. Check the link in the description, because you can go to my affiliate link on Amazon and see what we've got. See how the price compares to others.
What you're doing.
But yeah, the one I have here I think is the best bang for the buck.